How to change the default phone dialer app on your Samsung phone with Android 16. To change to another default dialer app, go ahead and use the quick access and look for the settings toggle found at the top right over here. Once you're in this section here, you will now go down the list of all these settings and you're looking for the one that says apps, this one right here. Once you see it, tap on it one time and you'll be taken to this section here. You will now see where it says choose default apps at the very top. Now that you're here, you're going to look for the one that says phone app. So you'll go down and see phone app. And as you enter here, you're going to see a list of different dialer apps. Now, if you don't see anything else but the default one, that's because you just need to go into the Google Play Store and install some free ones that are compatible. And if they are compatible, they will show up here. So let's just say you want to switch over to the Google dialer app and you just installed it. It'll appear here. When you switch to it, you'll be able to use it. Now, in some cases, you may be prompted to restart your phone. Go ahead and do that. And that's it. Like and sub.